What's going on, pumpkin people? Today we're talking tomatoes, and you don't need a big space to grow tomatoes. We're here up on our porch. We got about a 10-gallon pot, a store-bought tomato plant. This is the Big B variety. I'm going to show you two simple tricks to do to increase your yields. Stick around. All right, first off, it's okay to use your soil from last year. There's gonna be no nutrients really left in your soil. Just want to show you, I have the Hanna EC meter. Check out my other videos. It's going to measure the electric conductivity in the soil, and that's basically how the available nutrients for your plant. And you're looking for about a 1, and right now our soil, our potting mix here, is about 0.1. So there's no nutrients left in that soil, but that's okay. You can use Miracle-Gro, some balanced fertilizer to feed your tomato plant all season long. We're also going to be using Wow Super Starter Packs. This is the first thing you want to be using planting your container tomatoes up on your porch. These Super Starter Packs have a lot of available nutrients in them. You put the whole pack right underneath the root base of the plant, and it's going to provide nitrogen, your phosphorus, your potassium to get your plants off to a good start. Let's just get right into planting your tomato plant. So you can see this is what you call a sucker. Here's your main stem. You can see it right there. There's your main stem. This is your side stem. And right in between the two, right here, that's a sucker. So you definitely want to be removing those as the plant grows. So the thing about a tomato plant is wherever this main stem touches soil, it's going to grow more roots. A lot of people, will plant them right where the depth of the pot was, but in reality, you really want to be taking off these lower branches here and burying your tomato another 4 or 5 inches deeper to grow a more established root zone. So let's just get right into it. You really won't be able to see me in this next step here, but first you want to dig your hole about 6 inches deep in your pot. And then we're gonna take our tomato plant out. And look at all those roots. So your natural instinct is gonna be put in the hole just like this, right at that soil depth, but let's just take off these bottom with your finger, push down, or you pinch them off. I'm gonna take off this one, and then we're gonna even take off this one right here. So now we cleaned up the bottom of the plant. So this was all branches. So we're gonna put the tomato plant in, but we gotta go a little bit deeper. We're gonna put the soil right up here somewhere. You wanna cover all this, so we gotta go a little bit deeper. Planting your tomato plants, like I said, is gonna encourage roots to grow up on this main stem. You got your Wow Super Starter Pack. Throw it right in the bottom of the hole. I'm gonna put 2 in there just because I know my nutrients is pretty low. And then we're gonna put our plant in. See how now we're burying that stem. Backfill. And there you have it. So now we're right up to that first branch here, and we're gonna establish more roots. So appreciate everyone tuning in today. Like and subscribe to our page. Increase those tomato yields. Bury them deep. Until next time, grow them big.